Assalamualaikum. KC Eco Forest. How may I help you?
Waalaikumsalam. I'd like to speak to Mr. Bob, please.
I'm afraid Mr. Bob is not the moment.
When do you expect his back?
If he is not late, in approximately half an hour.
Could you please ask him to call me back?
Certainly. Who is calling, please?
My name is Harvey. I've consulted Mr. Bob before.
Does he has your number?
I believe he does. However, maybe I should give it to you just in case.
Yes, that would be best. Hold on please while I find a pen. Alright, go ahead please.
Oh, my number is 08772134161.
Let me read that back to you. 08772134161.
That's correct.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch your name. Could you spell it for me, please?
Of course, my first name is Herdi, Herdi, and my surname is Herdiansah, Herdiansyah.
Okay, I've made note of that. I will ask Mr. Bob to call to you back as soon as he returns.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
My pleasure. Waalaikumsalam.